Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. To get started, break your eggs straight into the mixing bowl. Make sure you totally avoid any part of the shell going into the bowl. Let go our eggs. Pour in the 100 grams of sugar. Then you mix. Start at low speed, then you can increase the speed. Leave it to whip for about 5 to 7 minutes. While you whip, prepare your oven by putting some water into your baking tray. You can see how fluffy the egg and the sugar butter has become. Now I will mix the milk, the oil and flavor, which I have already poured together. Then lower the speed of the mixer before you mix in the flour. Do not let the mixer do too much work on this, so you can retain the air in the butter. Make use of the spatula to mix in the flour very well. So this is what it looks like. It's gotten so much air and it's looking also fluffy. This already shows we're going to have a very soft cake when it's baked. Pour in your butter into your prepared baking pan. And have the batter go into the oven. It bakes for 20 minutes. I'm going to be baking at 180 degrees Celsius. So, the cake has been in the oven for 20 minutes. Let's see if it's done. Wow, it looks done and beautiful. Just for you to be sure, you can have a toothpick go into the cake. If it comes out dry, then it's done. So that's our cake. We're going to let it cool down for 5 minutes before we bring it out of the baking pan. Wow, it looks all fluffy. I hope you have learned how to make an amazingly fluffy, moist cake. Please try this recipe and let's know the outcome of your baking. Kindly like our video and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring you more videos. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.